In this video, we will learn how to replace sky easily in Affinity Photo. If you will see in the layers panel, I have two images. One is the main image, and then another image with the sky that we will put in the first image. So I'll go on the second image and then make it visible. And I will resize the image. What we want to do is align the horizon of this image, the sky, with the image that we have. So I can simply bring these two lines together. And reposition the image. After doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a layer mask on the sky layer, and then select the layer mask and take black color. Pick up the black color and we'll take the brush tool and start painting black on the mask to make this sky layer invisible. So you can simply do that. We can increase the flow to maybe 50% and start doing it. Increase the image size. Alright, after doing that, I can see before and after. I have reduced the flow and increased the brush size to make the transition more subtle. And then we can see before and after. Before and after. Another thing that we can do is we want the same light on the primary image. To do that, what I'm going to do is merge these two layers. After doing that, what I'm going to do is click on this layer and take the move tool, and I'm going to just flip it back. Alright, after doing that, I'm going to reduce the opacity. And I'm going to go to filter, blur, and apply Gaussian blur. So after reducing the opacity, I am going to change the blend mode to maybe linear burn. You can check whichever you like the most. Linear burn looks good to me. Play a little bit more with the opacity. Alright, so we can see before and after. This is before, this is after. And I'll just group these two layers and see before and after, before and after, before and after, before and after. The other thing that we can do is use a layer mask to mask any color cast here behind her. So I'm going to take brush and black color we already have and increase the flow to 50%. Just paint here a little bit. Even if you don't do that, it's all right. It won't matter much. And what we can do is come to the background, and either you can change, fix the sky to match the primary photo, or you can change the primary photo to match the sky. And I really love the sky, so I'm going to change the primary photo, the main photo. So simply go there, and from here what I'm going to do is take brightness and then just play with the brightness a little bit, increase the contrast, with that we will just increase a little bit of color, increase the saturation a little bit. We'll see before and after, before and after. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.